Hello and welcome to today's walk. We are back at Six Flags Magic Mountain for the newest and latest update on Wonder Woman. And from what I can see from here, there's a lot happening. So join me on today's walk. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna start off over here by the DC Universe side. And from what I noticed, the Lex Luthor Drop of Doom is still not open. So no word or rumors that I've heard of as to when they're opening. And I haven't heard Superman go by yet, so maybe that's down also for today. But we're over here for Wonder Woman update, and as you can see, let me zoom in a little bit. You can see the building is now, looks like they got some stucco on it, and you can see over here there's more supports up top, at the bottom over here. Still nothing visible on this building, which I don't know, that's been a big question mark as to what's going to happen there. But it looks like there's some equipment in there, and I see some red supports from the other side, but that's about it. Let's move in a little closer on to that end. That tree's in the way. But yeah, let's go walk over by Hall of Justice and see what more construction is happening. But the big news here is that building is looking like it's gonna be ready pretty soon for some paint. So that's gonna be pretty cool to see what that building looks like. All right, look at this. Wow, they have definitely extended the track. You can see how much more they've added. I think we were right about here last time, and now they got in a whole section over here, and they're almost to the midpoint. Well, they're definitely in the midpoint area, but they're gonna get past that pretty soon. Wow, this is awesome. Just look at that drop after the loop. Okay, so you got the loop. I'll go over it again. And then it goes up, and that big drop again. Wow. All right, let me get a better look in front of the Hall of Justice and see what it looks like from there. Wow, take a look at that. This is definitely a good view from here. This is the end, like I said, right in front of the Hall of Justice. But look at that, you can see definitely how tall that first loop is. And then it gains momentum and goes back up over there. That is awesome. All right, let's get a closer look on that side. But definitely you can see all the track that's been placed. So I'm right here in front of the Riddler entrance. And I'm a little closer on this end. And you can see all the work that they do to put each track in. But man, it is definitely a big loop right there. There goes the Riddler. But man, this is awesome. And you know what, this whole thing reminds me of Hot Wheels. Like if they're putting together a Hot Wheel track with the loop, but just the colors of it just reminds me of a Hot Wheel track, but at a humongous difference. So let's see if I can get a better view on this side. All right, and from this end you can see, whoops, let me focus that. You can see where they've left off with the track. I'm sure it's gonna go downward after that big loop. I mean that big little hill there. But you could definitely see the continued placement of those supports. You can see more track out here. This is moving fast. This is moving fast. It's almost like they're running out of supports because they got the track in so fast, but I'm sure those are going to be coming up soon. But yeah, this definitely reminds me of a humongous, giant Hot Wheel track. Yeah, this is awesome. This is I think, like I said, the last time I left, they were at the edge about right there. And look at all they've added. Wow. And what I'll do is I'm gonna go to back to the other side in front of DC Universe and then show you guys on the map what it looks, how far they've gotten on the actual map that shows the coaster. But wow, yeah, that's the big update right now. It is moving fast. All right, so here we are at the ride poster, and here's where I was in front of the Riddler ride. And as you can see, left off about right here last time, but now it's about here. I think it's about right here, and then the bottom ones are about right here. So they're almost getting to where that big drop, but these supports have not gone up. Those are gonna take a while, I guess, to get up. But yeah, they've gotten pretty far. But yeah, so I really can't wait for that, you know, these tall supports to go in, and then we'll definitely see that tall drop. Yep, that's Wonder Woman. It's moving fast. We'll see what happens next week where we're at. All right, so that's the latest out here with Wonder Woman. As you can see, it is moving fast. I'm sure Green Lantern, like he said, is helping out, but it is moving fast. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time for the next Wonder Woman update on today's walk. Bye.